The Ferrari SF90 Stradale continues to impress with its performance and recent updates. It features a powerful hybrid setup, combining a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 with 3 electric motors, producing a total output of 986 horsepower and allowing for remarkable acceleration. From 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.1 seconds, the SF90 Stradale is also capable of driving up to 15 miles on electric power alone, making it both a high-performance and practical vehicle for daily use. A notable recent development is the introduction of the SF90 XX Stradale, a more extreme variant that boasts an impressive 1,018 horsepower thanks to enhanced engine output and a new extra boost feature for the electric motors. This model also comes with a striking fixed rear wing and advanced aerodynamics, achieving a total downforce of 1,168 pounds. The SF90 XX models are highly limited, with only 799 units produced, and they start at around $890,000. Additionally, a recall has been announced for some SF90 models produced between November 2024 and September 2025 due to a potential fire risk. For more detailed specifications and reviews, you can check out the sources used. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe channel, like share video.